Hello everyone, welcome back to this class. We are still on board mass. Please, if it's your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, comment and like. We are still on board mass, and you can see we listed few questions that we'll be solving today. Please pay attention. Like I said before, when we first introduced board mass, I told you guys that board mass is very broad, and we're going to be starting from the simpler equation, then gradually move to the tougher or hard or even difficult equation. Here you can see that the question look confusing, right? But don't worry, I got you. I'm going to solving it step by step so that you can understand it very well. Let's proceed. Here in board math, here B stands for bracket, O stands for order. The order can be root or power. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Then we'll be going to be solving question 1. Let's look at question 1. 40 divide bracket 12 minus 4 bracket plus 2 raised power 3 times 3. Let's solve it. First of all, we need to open the bracket. We are going to solve the bracket first. We have 12 minus 4 equals to 8. We bring down our 40, division sign, 8 plus 2 raised to power 3 times 3. This is what I did here. We open this bracket, 12 minus 4, which is going to give us 8. I brought it down here. I bring it down here. 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. Then bring down our 40, the division sign. This 8 is the 8 that we got when we say 12 minus 4. This is the 8 plus 2 raised to power 3 times this 3. The next thing to do is the power, because I said that the order is it can either be root or power. So we'll be solving the power first, which is 2 raised to power 3. The 2 raised to power 3 means that we should multiply the 2 into 3 places. Then 2 into 3 places is going to give us 8. 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 places, that is going to give us 8. We have our 40, division sign, our 8 plus 8 times 3. Let me explain. This 40 now, look at it here. The division sign, look at it here. We have already solved this bracket, and our answer that we got from solving this bracket is 8. Then this 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3, meaning that 2 into 3 places, which is going to give us 8. This is the 8 here, times this 3. This is the times here. This is the 3 here. This is the times here. This is the 3 here. Then we are going to say 40 divided by 8. 40 divided by 8 is going to give us 5. Then we say 5 plus this 8 times 3. I know you might be a little bit confused here. This 40, look at it here. This division, look at it here. This 8 now, we got it from this 12 minus 4, which is 8. This is where we got the 8. This plus 8 again now. This 2 raised to power 3. We multiply 2 into 3 places, which give us 8. This is it here. Times this 3. This is the times here. And this is the 3 here. This is the times 3 here. Then we said 40 divided by 8, which is going to give us 5. That means we are left with 5 plus this second 8 times this 3. When you look at this question now, we have 5 plus 8 times 3. What comes next in BODMAS is multiplication. Multiplication comes first before addition. That means we are going to say 8 times 3, which is going to give us 24. 8 times 3 is going to give us 24. We bring down this 5 plus this plus, bring down this your 25 that we got here, your 24, which is going to give us 29. That means our final answer is 29. Let me explain again from the beginning. This is question 1. We have 40 divide bracket 12 minus 4 bracket plus 2 raised power 3 times 3. Then we follow the law of BODMAS. We solve the bracket first. We open this bracket, that means we say 12 minus 4 give us 8. We bring down our question again. 40 divide 8, which is the 8 that we got when we say 12 minus 4, plus this 2 raised power 3 from our initial question, times this 3. Then what comes next? Then we have 40 divide 8 plus 2 raised power 3 times 3. What comes next is power, because order comes first before division. Because I told you that order can mean power or root. This is it. So we say 2 raised to power 3. That means that we are going to multiply 2 into 3 places. And 2 into 3 places is going to give us 8. This is the 40. This is the 40. Division sign. This is the division sign. This 8. This is it here. Plus this is it here. We have already gotten our answer. We say 2 raised power 3 is going to give us 8. This is 8 times this 3 times this 3 times this 3. Then we said 40 divided by 8, which is going to give us 5. Then we bring down our 5 plus this second 8 times our initial 3 here. We are left with 5 plus 8 times 3. What is the next thing to do according to BODMAS law? Multiplication comes first before addition. Then we say 8 times 3 will give us 24. We bring down our 5 here plus this our 24 here. Then 5 plus 24. 5 plus 24 will give us 29. Is our final answer. Our 29 is our final answer. I hope you understand what I explained clearly. Let's move to example 2. This is our example 2. We have 36 divide bracket 4 plus 2 over 5 times 5 bracket. This is our question 2. The next thing we are going to do is to solve the bracket first. And inside this bracket we have 4 plus 2 over 5 times 5. We are going to solve the multiplication first. Then we bring down our 2 over 5 times 5 over 1. I told you guys that I added this one so that it can be in the same fraction. Then we're going to say 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 divide itself is 1. 5 in 10 is 2. Let me explain it again. This is the bracket. We are solving this one first. 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5 times 5. This is 5 over 1. I added over 1 so that it can be in the same fraction. Then we say 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 divided itself is 1. 5 in 10 is 2. What is inside the bracket again is 4. We bring down our 4. Put the plus sign. Then, excuse me. Then, sorry for the interruption. We have this 4 is inside the bracket. We have 4 here. We'll bring down this 4 here. Plus this 2 here that we got here. We add it together. 4 plus 2, which is going to give us 6. Which is going to give us 6. Then bring down your 36. 36 divided by 6, which is going to give us 6. That means our final answer is 6. Let me explain again. This is our question. 36 divide bracket 4 plus 2 over 5 times 5. First thing we are going to do is to solve the bracket. Inside this bracket now, what comes first is multiplication. Then we'll bring out our 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5 times this 5 over 1. I added 1 so it can be in the same fraction. 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 divided itself is going to give us 1. 5 in 10 is going to give us 2. Then don't forget that we still have 4 here. This 4 here, bring it down. This plus sign, bring it down. This your 2 that we got from here, bring it here. That is 4 plus 2 give us 6. This is our 36. This is it. Our division sign, this is it. This 6, this is it. 36 divided by 6 is going to give us 6. I hope you understand what I've been teaching so far. So let's solve the last question for today. Question 3. This is our question 3. Here we have bracket 4 over 5 times 15 bracket minus bracket 18 divide 3 over 2 bracket. Like I said before, in board maths we always solve the bracket, but at this case now the two have bracket, So we are going to solve the bracket one after the other. We'll start from solving this bracket first. We said 4 times 15 we have 4 times 15. This is the 4 times 15, 4 over 5 times 15. This is it, 4 over 5 times 15. I added 1 so that it can be in the same fraction. We are solving the first bracket first, then we solve the second bracket. Our first bracket is 4 over 5 times 15. Then I opened the bracket. I said 4 over 5 times 15 over 1. Then we multiply. 4 times 15. 4 times 15 is going to give us 60. 60. 5 times 1 is going to give us 5. 5 divide itself is 1. 5 in 60 is 12. That means we got our first bracket. Our answer is 12. Then let's solve our second bracket, which is 18 divided 3 over 2. So let's solve our second bracket. Our second bracket is 18. So this is our second bracket. We have solved something like this. We open bracket. 18 divide 3 over 2. In this case, like I said before in our previous class, we have solved something like this. Not even 1, 2, or 3. We have solved it like multiple times. When you see something like this division will change to multiplication so that we can be able to solve the question. And when this division changes to multiplication, this fraction is going to flip over. Let's solve it so you can understand what I'm saying. We have 18 times these 2 will come up, then the 3 will come down. Understand what I mean now? When this division changes to multiplication, these two will come up, the 3 will come down. That is going to, when the division sign changes, then we are left with 18 times 2. 18 times 2, which is going to give us 18 times 2 is going to give us 36. 36. 1 times 3 is going to give us 3. That means 3 here, 1. 3 in 36 is going to give us 12. And our question here says bracket 4 over 5 times 15 bracket minus bracket 18 divide 3 over 2. Our first answer that we saw from our first bracket is 12. And our second answer that we got from our second bracket is 12. That means 12 minus 12 is going to give us 0, which is our answer. We got 12 on the first answer and 12 in the second answer. So we said, because they said minus, that is what it means, that whatever we got from each bracket, we are going to minus it. That means we said 12 minus 12 is going to give us 0. I hope you understand what I've been teaching so far. I hope you understand what I've been teaching so far. Thank you for joining this class. If you have any question or any topic that you want us to teach, please kindly drop it on the comment section. We are going to attend it together. Thank you for joining this class. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you guys on the next in our next class. Thank you. Bye.